This is Kenny the Handyman, and today I wanted to give you a quick overview on how to reconnect your pool after opening it up for the summer use. So I just opened this up a couple days ago, and it's getting clear now, but I added about a gallon of shock into the pool, and there's a bunch of debris at the bottom, which I'm going to have to vacuum. But let's follow the path on how you connect this up. So first the water goes through into the skimmer. And here you got a skimmer basket which collects a lot of larger debris like these leaves and stuff. Then from the skimmer it goes right to the pump, which is pulling the water. It has another basket in there for anything that gets past the first skimmer basket. And from the pump it goes into your filter system. In this case I have a sand filter system. And then from the filter system we go into my heater, which I have a gas heater to heat the water. You may or may not have that, depending on your climate. And then from the heater, it goes straight back out into the pool. And this is the return outlet going right to the pool. So it's a pretty simple system, but I just wanted to go over that in case any of you get a little confused on how to reconnect up the pipes after disconnecting them for the winter for storage. One other thing I wanted to show you is that my pool is on a timer system, and so this is a pretty standard timer. I've got it set to go on between noon and 1:30 in the afternoon, and then I have it set to turn off and then back on again between midnight and 6 a.m. in the morning, and that seems to be enough to keep my pool pretty clean. Well, I hope that helps.